Hello everyone. Artscrafts invites you for another competition on the occasion of National Day of UAE. Before we move on to the competition details, let me tell you more something about us. Artscraft focuses on promoting exclusive, innovative, and idiosyncratic artistic talents from all around the world. Our mission is to bring forth contemporary art skills that anyone can connect to at a basic level. We also provide a platform for a wide range of audience as well as artists to explore the different cultures that people all around the globe celebrate. Our belief is to unveil the unknown artists and showcase their work by releasing high quality and limited edition art forms. Now, let me introduce all of you to our honorable juries. Padma Shri Tilak Gitai, eminent miniature artist from Jaipur. Padma Shri Professor Shyam Sharma, eminent painter and printmaker from Bihar. Shri Kanu Patel, eminent visual artist and actor from Gujarat. Shri Naval Kishore, eminent artist from Delhi. Shri Rohit Nanani, CEO and founder of Arrow Capital, Dubai. Shri Hidesh Gupta, CEO and founder of Star Global, Dubai. Now we come to the contest details. All participants above age 15 are requested to submit their artworks before 25th of November on any of the following topics. Number 1, UAE Heritage and Cultures. Number 2, UAE Landscape and Cityscape. Number 3, Celebrating Journey of UAE Development. There will be online voting from 3rd December to 7th December, and the winners will be announced based on combination of online voting and juries voting on 15th of December through YouTube or Facebook Live. Kindly send your entries at contest.artscrafts@gmail.com along with the following details: full name and age, address, nationality, WhatsApp number, passport size color photo, theme/topic of paintings as the title of the painting. Don't forget to watch out on the rules of the competition. No entry fees will be charged. All artists from age of 15 and above across the globe can participate. One artist can submit only one artwork on any one of the themes. Each artwork file submitted must be in a JPEG format. Art must be original concept and not a copy of anyone else. The artwork should be minimum of size 60 into 90 cm and it should be on canvas or handmade paper of minimum 300 JSM. Acrylic oil paints are to be done on canvas and watercolor is to be done on handmade paper. Original artwork will remain with the artist, but the sponsor can use the digital image for their personal or commercial purpose. Winner needs to submit the original artworks by courier to us, and upon receipt of the artworks, the winning amount will be transferred in their bank account, and certificates, medal will be couriered to them. All participants will be sent voting link with their artworks so that they can request their family, friends for maximum voting. If we find that participants use unfair means for getting votes or misuse technology to increase the votes, we will disqualify the contestant. Now we come to the most exciting part of the competition. Yes, you guessed it right. It's award. Every winner will get certificate and trophy/medal. First prize 1000 USD, second prize 700 USD, third prize 500. Artfully Creative Award 250 USD, Unique Concept Award 250 USD. And every participant will get the digital participant certificates by mail. Please note, the decision of Artscrafts and jury members will be final and binding to all the participants. No queries will be entertained about the judgment of jury. This event was not at all possible without the support of our sponsors. Our gold sponsor is Mr. Rohit Nanani, CEO and founder of Arrow Capital. Arrow Capital is a boutique financial and investment advisory firm. Arrow Capital aims at incorporating superior values of trust and integrity while providing excellent advisory and execution to ultra high net worth individuals, families, trusts, and corporate entities around the world. It is a registered investment management company with offices in Dubai and Mauritius. Our silver sponsor is Mr. Hitesh Gupta, CEO and founder of Star Global, who is a vivid art lover and critics in art. Star Global is an independent physical commodity trading company with core focus on steel and steel making raw materials. Star Global's dynamic business model is centered around domain expertise, profound market understanding, and strategic partnership forged through their global network. Star Global's trading portfolio includes steel, iron ore, metallics, coal, and other steel making raw materials. Star Global is the largest in the project business in GCC region, providing customized and packaged steel supply solutions with footprints in most of the mega projects in the region. Star Global state activities extending to several continents cater to steel, oil and gas, power and renewable and construction industries. Our past event was India at Rate 75, where more than 100 people participated across India. Amazing prize money were won by the winners, and we also hope that this event will also be a grand success. Thank you so much.